Rahman Rahim, dear students of class 10 of Madranasa High School, take my cordial love and well wishes. How are you? Dear students, today I am with you, your subject teacher, Mustafizur Rahman. All of you, welcome to my today's online class. My dear students, in my previous lesson, you have learned about roots, lesson 1 and lesson 2, unit 12, roots. And in my last class, you have borrowed my roots 2. Today, I am going to start lesson 3, return of the native. Dear students, before the starting of the lesson, I want to familiar with some vocabularies. These are intrinsically related to this lesson. Dear students, word and pronunciation and their synonym: popular, well liked, admired; dramatist, playwright; aspire, desire or eagerly earn; sophisticated, complex or complicated; ire, anger; precious, valuable; literary, burst in literature; expose, disclose; imitate, copy or follow; intellect, aptitude, brain; adolescence, poverty or minority; unable, incapable; appreciate, value, receptive, having the quality of receiving ideas; entirely, fully; frustration, aggravation; reputation, credit or status; realize, comprehend or understand. These are the keywords of this lesson. Dear students, in this lesson there are 4 sections. Section A, we will read the text. Section B, the unit theme. Section C, making questions. Section D, writing notes. And this lesson will be completed after revising these 4 sections. Dear students, at the beginning, I want to show you a picture. First of all, look at the picture and guess who is he? Guess who is he? Dear students, who is he? This is most probably by this time you understand that this is a growing star of Bengal literature of Bangladesh. He is poet and dramatist Madhusudan Datta. And dear students, first of all, I want to show you the main title of which is the return of the native. Section A, Michael Madhusudan Datta, popularly known as Madhusudan, was a celebrated 19th century Bengali poet and dramatist. He was born in Sagardari on the bank of the Kokotakko River, a village in Keshapur Upazila under Jeshore district. From an early age, Datta aspired to be an Englishman in form and manner. Though he was born in sophisticated Hindu family, he converted Christianity as a young man, much to the ire of his family, and adopted the first name Michael. In his childhood, he was recognized by his teachers as a precious child with a gift of literary talent. His early exposure to English education and European literature at home and his college inspired him to imitate the English in taste, manners, and intellect. Since his adolescence, he started believing that he was born on the wrong side of the planet, and that is, society was unable to appreciate his talent. He also believed that the West would be more receptive to his creative genius. Madhusudan was an ardent follower of the famous English poet Lord Byron. So, after adopting Christianity, he went to Europe and started composing poems, plays in English. They showed his higher level of intellectual ability. However, he failed to gain the right appreciation. To his utter frustration, he found that he was not esteemed as a native writer of English literature. Out of his frustration, he composed a sonnet in Bangla, Kapothakkonot, which earned him huge reputation in Bangla. Gradually, he could realize that his true identity lay in Bengal and he was a sojourner in Europe. Afterwards, he regretted his fascination for England and the West. He came back to Bengal and devoted himself to Bangla literature from his period. He was written the first Bangla epic, Meghnad Bad Kadbo. This is the text, dear student. By reading this text, we learn that Michael Madhusudan Datta is a celebrated Bengali poet and dramatist. And he was the only one poet who introduced sonnet in Bengali literature. Another poet or dramatist rarely introduced it in Bengali literature. He has a great ambition to be an Englishman in manner and taste. But later he realized that only roots can help him to be famous. But in English or England or in Europe, he failed to be famous by writing English poet and English poetry or dramatist in English. But he did not get appreciation by writing this. Dear students, now what is the main section B, the unit theme? What is the theme of the unit? Michael wanted to be an Englishman in forum and manner. He to Christianity by adopting Michael and giving up his roots. But he forgot that without root, a man or a tree cannot get nourishment. Besides, he started composing poetry and drama entirely in English to be famous, but he failed. But though he left the country for some days, realizing the truth, he came back to Bengal, devoted himself to Bangla literature and wrote the first Bengali epic, Meghnad Bad Kadbo. He also introduced Bangla sonnet for the first time. This is the main theme of the unique theme. Okay. Now, by this time we learn that Michael Madhusudan Datta lately understood that he cannot be successful and get appreciation without having his own roots. That means own native country. Dear student, we are going to the section C, making questions. Making questions. Here there are 10 questions. Number 1. In this section, read the some more information on Madhusudan. Make question for these statements. Here there are some information. Now you can make questions. Dear students, this book is full of grammar and this grammar is hidden. Students have to find out the grammatical rules and with their examples. In this section, see, we learn that how to make questions. Make questions. First of all, you need to write question word plus to be verb plus subject plus verb plus expression plus question plus note of exclamation. In this way, we can make. There are many question words: what, how, which, where, when, why, whose, etc. So, dear students, number section A, he introduced Amit Thakur Chandra, that means blank verse in Bangla literature. Now, question may be, try to think how we can make this question. It is first form. What did Michael introduce in Bangla literature? What did Michael introduce in Bangla literature? Bangla literature. B. Madhusudan passed most of his European days in Versailles, France. Question: this information indicates place. So, where did he pass his? Where did he pass his most of his European days? Most of his European days. European days. This is section C. D. It was unbearable to him as he had to suffer extreme poverty. Now, what may be question? It is first forum. How did he feel? Or did he feel comfort there? Did he feel comfort there? Or D. Section D. How did he feel there? How did he feel there? Feel there. Or did he feel comfort there? Okay. Dear learners, D. Now, section D. It was Ishwar Vidyasagar who helped him in pay of his debts and return to India. Question may be, who helped him to pay off? Who helped him to pay off his E? Who helped him to pay off his debts and return to India. And return to India. F. Madhusudan married twice. While living in Madras, he married Rebecca McTavish of English descent. Question may be, whom did he marry at first? Whom did he marry? At first. Whom did he marry at first? Dear students, now later he married Henrietta Sophia White, who was also ethnic English. Now question, very easy, think in English. Z. Who was his second wife? Who was his second wife? H. Dear student, H. His second marriage lasted until the end of his life. Now question, how long did his second marriage last? How long did his second marriage last? H. How long did his second marriage last? These are the techniques. In this way, you can make lots of questions. And I. Madhusudan and Sophia had a son Napoleon and daughter Sharmishta. Questions? Number, it denotes number. How many children did they have? How many children did they have? And last one, Madhusudan died in Kolkata General Hospital on 27 June 1873, 3 days after the death of Henrietta. Very easy question. It indicated time. So, question may be or might be, when did he die? When did he die? Note of interrogation. So, all these are questions. In this section, dear students, we read some information and we make some questions. Now section B. Section B. Here write notes about Madhusudan and about Madhusudan under the following headings. One is done for you. Madhusudan as a man. What kind of man Madhusudan? First of all, literary genius. Number 1. Section is given A. He was a literary genius. Genius. Attracted to English literature. Attracted to English literature. See, wanted to be an Englishman. These are the Madhusudan as a man. Wanted to be an Englishman. In form and manner. In form and manner. These are the pictures of Madhusudan Datta, literary genius. He was a very much genius Bengali poet, attracted to English literature because he was an ambitious poet and talented personality. Wanted to be an English man in form and manner. And last one, Madhusudan as a poet celebrated 19th century Bengali poet and dramatist, achieved his roots. Later, he could realize that he was making wrong. Then he came to Bengal and devoted himself to Bangla literature. And last of all, he became successful. And his name will be written in Bengali literature in the golden letters. Dear students, by this time we completed 4 sections. First of all, we read the text, unit theme, making questions. Last of all, we filled a grid. By this time, we learn about Michael Madhusudan Datta and his poetic and dramatic genius. Last of all, it is clear that without roots, a man or trees cannot live. He must come back to his root for his nourishment. Dear students, know us today, study regularly and follow my online class. If you have any query, please call me. Let's hope to the best in the coming days. Thank you. Bye-bye.